which they could do through most of the 18th century and half of the 19th century. And when they learned that the popular press would write about them anyway, that's when they went to try and influence what their image was in the press through public relations. That was the birth of that profession. So today, we have a situation where it's not manipulating the media that counts. Everybody is a participant. And if you are a participant, that means that the responsibility for truth and accuracy falls on you, and some of the accountability will fall on you as well. And some of the rage that people will feel when they are miscommunicated with will come to you as well.
I have a follow-up question, but that was, as a professor, this is actually for Jay, how has the advent of social media, particularly Twitter, changed the way you teach, if at all? And what advice would you give to students in journalism today to deal with this technology?
Well, first of all, you have to learn about it by doing it. You can't expect the Los Angeles Times to tell you about Twitter. You should be on it. And one of my methods is to do things before journalists do them, so that by the time they get there, I can already teach them about it, right? So that's what I did with Twitter. That's what I did with blogging as well. But a deeper answer to your question, Jeff, is that the journalism professor now is not simply teaching the people who show up for class. Twitter allows me to extend the journalism school itself to anybody who wants to join my 140-character classroom. And so that's what I do. I mean, you may not want to be taught, but if you follow me, I'm sorry, that's what happens. Because that's what I'm doing. And it's reciprocal. I'm learning as well a lot, constantly. And I learn a lot from the young people. That's why I have a Twitter list, Young Smart Newsies, which you could follow, which is all the young people that I learn from. But really what it does to teaching is it brings the extension service model into journalism education. In agricultural schools, they have an extension service where they're teaching not students who are agricultural majors, but farmers around the state, right? That's the land-grant college, the agricultural model. So we have to adopt that model in journalism education. We have to start teaching all the people who are part of the news system. Well, that's everybody. That's the job of the journalism professor now. And if you can't do that, if you're not prepared to do that, then you're not really making good on the promise of your profession. When they give us tenure, it's not to keep doing the same thing over and over. It's because we have this privilege, we have this incredible, bizarre security to be able to redefine what we do. So anyway, that's what I do.